Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about change management and the approval process and talking about change orders. So you have enabled change management already in OpenBOM administrator settings. And in this case, we are using the default template where it's only one user part of the approval. In another video, we can add more information how to set up more engineering change templates. So what we're going to do is doing some changes in the first in this new release of the product. So we have already made a few changes in our product structure. So we can see that our first iteration is done. We have all existing drawings, all the existing product information is captured for the first release. I'm going to focus on this little sub-assembly, this reflector plate, where we have some changes and we can look also at have a bit of visual about how it looks, some of these pieces of information. So in this case, we're going to do just a new revision on a few levels of this product. So it all starts with making the changes. So I'd like to do these changes directly in CAD directly. So let's, for example, there's a new request to make this product lighter, and we're going to just make some changes and update them. So there's a new updates. So this CAD file is updated. We're going to update the subassembly and all the drawings are going to be updated. So let's update all this information back in CAD and update all this documentation. We're also going to increase the CAD revision information. So this is going to be revision B. And we're going to do the same for the reflector plates. This is also going to change to revision B. So let's do that. And all the drawings will also update for that new revision. So let's do that. Let's do that update. So this will be also revision B there. So we're going to just increase a new revision here where we're going to just create a new revision there. So we're going to create revision B here. So we have all that information correct. So this will be revision B. We're going to refresh. The drawings also updated. And we're going to do the same for the subassembly. So let's do that. Let's also update our documentation and increase this revision over here using CAD. And the title block should also be updated there with revision B. There we go. We have revision B over there. So everything is good to go. And we're going to save changes. And we are going to first update our design projects where we update all file versions with the new changes. So let's do that. This is going to take a couple of seconds to upload. So if we move into OpenBOM Design Projects, we will see that there are new versions, file versions with the changes we have done from CAD. So this is the first step. And let's see those updates and see those changes coming in. So notice that the reflector plate now has different versions. The thumbnails have updated. And if you focus on versions, you can see that those are seen in OpenBOM Design. So those versions are actually visible. And you have physical access to the file itself. So this is on design, you see more like the design object, the file object, where you have all the file attributes. So the next step will be updating product information and updating all this information from CAD data to the product structure. So we're going to do this by just updating the bill of material. So let's update, also do another change here, save everything, and create update the bill of material. So this is going to update the derivatives, going to update the PDFs, and everything will be updated. So we are updating everything. So this will take a couple of seconds. Process should be completed soon. Okay. So now that we have the product information updated, we're going to create a new change request and a new change order for the approval of the entire product. So in this case, we're going to create a new change request. But at this time, we're going to create a new change order. So click on the Create Change Order button. We're going to select the default template. And let's make some description. Reflect a lighter, for example. So, and we're going to create a new change request for this product revision. Change will be, for example, new example, and let's create a change request. So so we have a couple of levels to add to this new change order part of the reflector. So we're going to do the same for example, to the reflector plate. There are changes here. So let's also create a new revision at this level. So we're going to right click and create change request, and we're going to associate it with that change order. So this will be, for example, again, the reflector change. Okay, so let's also do this associate with the same change order, and we're going to do the same. So we're going to bottom up, also change that sub-assembly, also going to change it with a new change request for that level. So we're going to do the same and associate with the same change order. So let's do that for that process. So while this is going on, users, part of this workflow, will receive emails that there's a new change order to work through. And if you click on that link, you'll see that you have multiple items part of this change. So the approval process goes through the approval will receive this email, this notification. You can have multiple users here. If you have more than one user, you'll see their emails here, and you can approve or reject. You can jump into the item and review all this information. So the approval process is by you can download all this data in a single zip file, and the approver can go through and check all documentation, all product structures, all levels. You can see drawings and making sure that everything is updated. So notice how you can, in a single zip file, you have like your drawing pack approval. So you have all files related, just ready for approval. So notice also that before we set it up to send the CAD revision properties, so all that sort of CAD revisions can be sent directly to OpenBOM. So you have all that item information. Let me just refresh this page over here. So we have updated information and thumbnails. So we can see, you can see that all this information is now updated. So you can see the reflector is also pointing to the latest drawings. We have captured the CAD revisions from CAD. Notice there's a distinguish between documented CAD revisions and item revisions. And also we captured previously the file versions. So notice that the drawing captures all that information. So you can see that the drawing is updated with revision B, and you can see all information sits well together. So the next step, we'll just do the approval. Let's approve the change order, and all those revisions will be updated and created a new revision. So let's do that. I'll do the approval. You can approve multiple items, and once you have done that, the new revision will be created. So let's refresh and see the result. So if you look into the revision levels, we can see that we have the new reflector revision created. So that would be the drawing is there, the latest, and everything is captured. All the product information is captured. So we have all the baselines, all those snapshots are there. So this will be the first release. So notice that the drawing also doesn't have those. So this is first release A. Everything is captured. So you captured everything from the design process, managing file versions, to updating the product structure, updating the product information like derivatives and PDFs, working on a complete product structure, and then release that information for manufacturing or contract manufacturers. Hope you like this video. See you on next time.